Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 6 of our playlist React.js. Okay, here we will create another project 2. Okay, in previous video we have seen how we can create this navbar, the simple navbar. Now we will see how we can create like cards. Okay, so what we have to do, what task we have to perform, I'm writing here, create a card component. Okay, so we will create a card component in React.js simply. Okay, using, okay, so we will create card component in React.js. Also, we will apply CSS style on that card, right? And like few important points you should remember before creating this project. This is a simple project for practice purpose. Okay, so create a component folder, then create card as component. All right. The second point is import card component in app.js. Okay, JS or JSX. Okay, whatever the file name. Right. After that, don't forget to import CSS file in app.js. Okay, because we will write CSS in which file? app.css file. Then that app.css file we will import in app.js file. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, like for example, this is app.js file. So here we are already importing what? app.css file. All right, we already created this nav component under this component folder. Now we will create another file. What is the file name? Card.js. Okay, inside the card.js we will create the card. We will write here card code. Okay, so first simply, okay, let me close other tabs. We will open simple one tab. We will focus only this file card.js. So first I will write the function const keyword, then function name card, right, equals to, we will create an arrow function, right, like this. After that, remember, please remember these steps. After that, we will write return. Inside the return, we will write an enclosing tag, and inside the enclosing tag, we will write the code for the card. So I will write here div, okay, dot card. So it is a shortcut. So we created a div, and what is our class name? Card. Why we are giving the class name? So that we can apply CSS styling. Okay, just because of applying CSS styling, we are giving class name as a card, right? Then we will create card body. Okay, so what is our class name? Card body, right? Inside the card body, we will write h1, and here we will write React.js playlist. So whatever you want to write, you can write. For this demo purpose, I'm writing here this. And I will write paragraph also. And in paragraph, I will write lorem 20. Okay. And I will format the document. So it will come in nice manner. Right. So this is how we created component. Now once you complete this code, component card function you created, means card component you created. Now export this file. Okay. So how you will export? Simply write export default. And what's the file name? Component name card. Now check whether output is coming or not. No, card output is not coming. Why it is not coming? We have to go to the app.js file. Inside the app.js file, we will import this card. As we imported this navbar, same we will import the card. Okay, because card is also the component folder. So I will write here import card from, what is the location? Component. Okay, inside the components, what is the file name? Card.js. Okay, so what we have to do after navbar, I will add this card. What is the component name? Card. Now check output is coming. Yeah, output is coming, but it is not coming in the form of card. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to apply some CSS. Okay, so see what we have to do, we will apply CSS. Okay, import card component JS. Okay, so we will apply CSS on that card. Okay, so where is the CSS? App.css here. What is the card class name? What is the class name? Card. Okay, what is the class name? Okay, card. On this card class, we will apply CSS. Okay, so here we will write the code for the CSS. Okay, file name is card, right? And here I will write CSS property. So first, what I will do, I will give some width. Okay, width like I'm giving width like 350 pixel, right? And then I'm giving height. Okay, what is the height? Height I'm giving like 200 pixel. right? And I'm giving some background color. Okay, let me take some background color. Okay, I'm choosing like little dark background. Okay, I think this color is fine. Okay, let me save this. Now check whether output is coming. Yeah, output is coming. Let me apply some more CSS property so that it looks better. Okay, so I will give here box shadow as well. Box shadow. Okay, this is a very simple property. You don't need to remember all the CSS property. Once you use it on regular basis, you will be used to of it. Okay, so I'm giving some shadow to it, right, like this. Okay, so can you see some shadow is coming, right? Now what I will give? I'll give some margin as well. Margin. Okay, so what margin I should give? Like 20 pixel. Okay, so 20 pixel margin. After that, what I will give? I'll give border as well. Border 5 pixels solid, and I will give some color. Okay, let me choose a proper color for it. I think this one would be better, orange. Okay, now let me change the color as well. Text color white. So it's looking fine. Now let me center it. Text align center. Right. So this is how we created this card component. Okay, this is how we created this card. Right, app.js. Here we are calling card. If you want more cards, if you want more cards, not only one. But if you are not using React.js, so what you will do? You write this card code here. You written what card code here. Then what you will do? You will copy this code and paste again to get another card. But we are using React.js, which is component based. So we will not rewrite the code. Just we will rewrite the component name. This is the reusability we get with the help of React.js. So see, we get two cards. Okay. If you want more than two cards, then simply copy it. Copy the card name, okay, and paste it, right? So all the card names are coming. If you want these cards in linear line, so what you will do in css just write display inline block. Okay, so it will come like this. If you want to copy more time, then you can simply paste it again and again. Okay, like this it is coming. So everywhere is coming like react.js playlist, react.js playlist. But I want to write here react.js. Here I want to write like Python playlist. Here I want to write Bootstrap playlist. So how we can change the values? Okay, what I can do one way is I can change from here. I can change from here. But whatever I will write here, it will reflect to all the cards. But I want some data, some different data here and different data here. But right now I'm not able to do it. But in the next video, I will tell you the concept of props. So with the help of props, we will change this data for each card. Okay. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Okay, let me give you this code as well. Okay. So what's the file so that you can practice? I'm giving this code for the practice purpose. Okay, first I'm giving the card.js code. Card.js. Here is card.js. Here is, let me copy it. So here is the card.js code. Okay. After card.js, what's the file? I'm giving card app.css. Okay, app.css code I'm giving. App.css. Right. And after this app.css, I'm giving code to you app.js. App.js. Okay. If you don't have navbar code, so okay, should I paste here? We created navbar here. Create a component navbar. Okay. So I'm pasting navbar code here. Navbar.js. So where is the navbar code? Here is a navbar code. Okay. And app.css. App.css. So I'm just giving you navbar CSS only. Okay. So here is the navbar CSS. Right. So here is your navbar CSS. Okay. So you can you can follow this notes, right? So thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. Right? Thank you.